Khubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Shillong All Faith Forum ka kanhun jong ki kanhun Ñiam bapher jong ka jala manda ka sngi ka shitarik ulaber araja ar phausaw kala penlong ya ka jingyo kendu lang ban yakran halor ka jingmi kala Jingsngewpher Ñiam hakini ki sngi habayakran bat ginong Thok Khubor hadin balawai ka jingyalang u president jong ka Saff u bishop purely lingdo ula ong banamar ka election kala jan ula kerpat ya ki kanhun san perthei baro bakin long ki ba perkhat baha ka bakin kren kumno bakin kren bat ka bakin le omdei banwan ra ka jingya pat yapra ni ka jingya bishni hapdeng ki kanhun Ñiam bapher tang na ka banta banyo jingmentoy yalade shu ula kerpat ru ki nongshong shnong ka jala banlong ki ba Husiar ya ka ba ki yo sngow yo ba ki dei tang ki Khubor Thok ba shulam ler ngim dei ban ngop hakini ki jat Khubor Thok ngi kwa ya ka shong suk shong san la ka long hakanu ka por wat la ka election kala jan baro ngia shong shet henry ngi di ban persyang kat bala ban wanra ya ka shong suk shong san laban rap u bishop
in the country, the situation in Northeast India, and particularly the situation in Assam and in Meghalaya has come to the stage where we faith leaders need to stand up and speak out and call upon our people to be aware, to be alert of the situation. Saff, as you all know, was formed in 2020, not only for normal times where we meet together for certain matters. Saff has come in use, especially in times like this, when we need the community to understand, to be aware, to be alert of the situations that we are in. India is a great country, a land of all major religions, a land where people used to live together, grow together, tolerate one another, accept one another. India today is proud of its development. Just a few days back, we hear in the news that the growth GDP of India is 8.4, which is one of the best in India. The whole world is talking about India. But on the other hand, it used to be a peaceful region so far, in spite of the fact that hundreds of different tribes, different communities, different languages and customs and practices exist in Northeast India. But of late, we all know what's happening in Manipur and what is happening in Assam now. And sadly and very alarmingly, we see the signs that even Meghalaya is being touched now in the borders area. So as Saff, members of different faiths are in Saff. We have the Hindus, we have Muslims, we have the Sikhs, we have the Buddhists, we have Sendrak, we have Sankasi, almost all the faith communities in Shillong, in Meghalaya, are in Saff. So as a forum, this is what we want to convey to all our people in the state of Meghalaya, and even to Assam, If it is possible for all of us, different faith communities, to come together as Saff. Saff is a testimony. Saff is an example of how we can come together with understanding, with love, with tolerance. We are together. We speak with one voice. It should be possible even in other states and other places. So this is our message to our people in the state and to our neighboring states as well. Elections are coming, and there are fringe elements who would like to take advantage of the situation, and they want to provoke different communities. We want to appeal certain appeals we want to make to our state as well as to other states. Number one, we appeal to the government of Meghalaya and to the government of Assam. They should continue to talk, find out the truth, and not just talk, take steps. Take steps to prevent any untoward incident. We appeal to political parties because these are all connected to politics, to the elections coming. We appeal to all political parties. Kindly be mindful of what you speak, and how you speak, and what you do. Not to create divisions and hatred among the people. And we appeal to all citizens of Meghalaya and Assam to be alert, to be mindful, to be careful of these elements that try to bring about, to create disturbances, misunderstandings, divisions among people for political mileage. These can be connected to politics. So to our own people in Meghalaya, we appeal that be careful of what you hear, of the news, of the messages you receive from here and there. Many may be false, may be fake news. So we should not succumb to this kind of news. We want peace, we want harmony in times of normal times and in times of distress, and even as elections are coming, everyone is excited. We should try our best to maintain peace and harmony among all people, so that all may be well. This has been the tradition, the name of Meghalaya as a state of peace and harmony, and we should all try. We call upon all residents, citizens of our state Meghalaya, especially in the border areas, to be calm, cool, maintain peace and harmony with one another.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.